Okay, lovely. What is your name and how'd you hear about RC Auto?
Wallace Hartman, and I heard by the gentleman at Robertson Tire referred me to here because of what needed to be done to my vehicle. They were like, "Hey, the best in town, take it to RC Auto. They'll take care of you because they can do the higher end stuff and replacements that they don't do."
Wonderful. And so, what's your experience been like?
Oh, it's wonderful. I've had my Lincoln truck, which I'll never sell, brand new engine put in. When I mean brand new, I mean brand new engine because the engine that was in it was a Ford engine that has issues. I've had a giant air conditioning system work where they had to pull off the whole front and everything, but they're always super good to us. They let us know exactly what needs to be handled and done. Now we're getting ready to have an ABS brake part handled and done on the truck. But no, the nice thing about here is I feel so comfortable because they explain everything to you. They tell you what it is, what would happen if you don't do this, what they can replace. So I just feel very comfortable that I know they're treating me properly, not overcharging me. And when they send you the text of all the different things, they break it out for you so you know exactly what is going to cost you. And if you can't afford some of the things that they say on there, no problem. You can wait till later on, like we're waiting later on, because hey, finances can be tough for some people.
I love it. And so, finally, would you recommend RC Auto to friends and family and why?
Oh, I do all the time on Facebook when it comes up and they're showing you different things. I'm constantly forwarding it and putting a big, heart on it and everything because it's just we've been coming here now for different things, probably for 8 or 9 years, and it's always been taken care of wonderfully. So
Wow, I love it so much. Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
I appreciate that.
Okay.